Welcome back, everybody. Gabe Velasquez here with TransparentTradingSolutions.com. Back with you on YouTube. Today's video is going to be on a topic that a lot of new traders have been challenged with, especially in the last week. As I'm doing this recording, yesterday afternoon, we had Apple reporting blowout earnings, Microsoft report out blowout earnings, and yet the stock did nothing. In fact, it came off. Microsoft is actually down, and we can go on through a list of those stocks. And so why does that happen? And that really is puzzling to a lot of folks. Question, why would, if Apple reports these great earnings, why is the stock, moving lower or not really reacting? And so it comes back to one of the things, the market dynamics that I talk about quite a bit, is the fact that the market is a discounting mechanism. So what happens is markets don't care about what you did last quarter. Markets only are looking forward. They're looking for the next guidance. Like, what is the company going to do? In other words, what have you done for me lately? In other words, right? So, yeah, that's great that you had a great quarter, but what are you going to do, Q3, Q4, the rest of the year and so forth. And so one of the things that as a trader that may help you is understanding this dynamic that markets are forward looking. Markets are always looking in advance, anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Now, some stocks, for instance, like UPS gapped up huge. And that's because, again, they gave guidance going forward. And so when you're looking at the stocks and particularly in individual companies, don't get caught up in what they say, on the earnings report. It's literally what the market, how the market reacts to the earnings, and it's always about the forward guidance. Okay, so more often than not, you'd be better served if you, in fact, sold the stock after it, moved from the earnings. So in other words, if a stock is selling off, you'd probably be better off buying it after all of the disappointed buyers or the disappointed longs sold the stock. Conversely, if it was a very big winner, all of that is already built in. So you may be better served by looking at some option strategies that take advantage of that, or just an expansion in volatility and so forth. So in upcoming weeks, I'm going to start doing some live events. So stay in tune for that. I'll let you guys know on my Twitter feed. But I hope this helps some of you guys that are kind of struggling with buying stocks after earnings and so forth. So this is it for today. I will talk to you guys soon. If you like what you hear, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys very shortly. Okay, take care, everybody. We'll see you soon.